today we will be opening a gift from Nanay Wena all the way from Belgium.
Hold up.
Let's open it. Oh, yeah. Not yet. Wow! It's there. Yay! No. So happy. Yeah. Help me. Joshua, help me. Help ate. Baby. Oh, yes! Pipi pula ko gani. It's so good. Now we are going to inflate it with this pump. It's time to inflate.
Absolutely.
Kurang yo. This is what it looks like when it's fully inflated. So here we have 4 seats. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these are cup holders. We have 2 of them. Here and there.
It's here and here.
It's big.
Yeah.
Okay, it's big.
What is it?
Swimming. Swimming.
Doing it like this one.
So,
Then put in the water, and then the water. Then like this.
So this is the end of our unboxing video. See you soon. Bye!
and that's the end of our video for today. So don't forget to click like
Yes.
and subscribe
Yes.
and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming mga bagong videos. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.